Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a DIY face wash for oily skin or for any other skin with Hibiscus Flower Water, which I actually made it a few hours ago because in here in Mallorca, Spain, in probably in the rest of the Mediterranean countries, the hibiscus flowers, they actually growing literally everywhere. So it's very easy to get them, and there's a big bush actually grows here at the end of the stairs by my apartment. So I just went there, got a few of the flowers, take out the flower petals and just put some boiling water onto it, and I got this lovely hibiscus flower water with a deep kind of purplish ruby color, and it does smells amazing. So what we're gonna make, we're gonna need so hibiscus flower water, then we're gonna need a vegetable glycerin, a surfactant, which helps to get rid of all the dirt and excess oil from your skin, and as well, because this is all water-based ingredients, we're gonna use a Preservative Eco, which is natural preservative. So. And the most important thing, we're gonna need this little foaming bottle with the foam, okay? So it's very important if you will get this one. If you don't have a hibiscus flower water, you can use a distilled water or you can use any other hydrosol or flower water. It doesn't really matter. So I have in here my formula and all the recipe. Don't worry if you're not gonna get all the numbers what I will say here in this video, because the full recipe and the full formula you can find in the description box below. So let's go on to the process. So in here I had weighted already 53.4 grams of hibiscus flower water. To this I will tear out my scale. To this I will add a 3 grams, which is 5% of all the formula, vegetable glycerin. So it's 3 grams. Okay, perfect. I just gonna mix it together. Vegetable glycerin is water soluble, so it does dissolve actually in the water. Okay, very nice. To this I will tear out the scale, of course, and I will add a surfactant. I have in here Coco-Glucoside surfactant, which is approved in natural skincare, and I will add as well 3 grams of the surfactant. Okay, perfect. And I'm just gonna mix it very well, everything together. Mix it slowly, otherwise surfactant will start to foaming. We don't want that. And it does change the color a bit, that's fine. So just make sure you mix it very well, your surfactant. And now, before I add my preservative into it, I'm just gonna check the pH, making sure that everything is in line. So I have in here a little paper pH strips, and I'm just gonna take one and we'll check it out. Okay, so pH in here, as you see, in here it's like a blue greenish color, and this about number 8 or so. pH supposed to be between 4 and 5 for the skincare products. So to reduce your pH, what you would need is a citric acid. A little bit, literally like a little bit, not too much of the citric acid, like a few drops. Wow, and look, the citric acid straight away is changing color. Again, back to normal healthy red color. Oh, I love it. Make sure you just mix it very well. And let's check it now. Okay, and now it is about 4 and 5. So look, what's the difference? This was before I add citric acid, which was 7, 8, and this is, you barely can see it. It's like light orange color, so it's between 4 and 5, which is very good for your for the skincare products to make. So, and now, and look at this color, isn't it look amazing? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my preservative. So preservative, I will add 1% for the formula, so I'm doing 60 grams of it, so it's about 0.6 grams of the preservative. Okay, so I'm tearing out my scale and putting 0.6 grams of the preservative. 0.46, 5, 6, and one more drop. Perfect. And just gonna mix it together now. Look at this color. Just gonna mix it together and let's check it. Perfect. Again, it's actually 4. It's between 4 and 5. You don't see it's light orange color. So everything is fine. And now we have this lovely DIY face wash. And what we'll do now, we're just gonna transfer in our foaming bottle. Look at this color, no, seriously, no? Close it properly and look at this color, hibiscus, DIY hibiscus face wash. And the foaming bottle does this amazing magic. It actually provides the foams onto it, look. And that's it. That's it. Lovely. Oh my god, it's a very lovely smell. I can smell the surfactant, Coco-Glucoside as well, which just gives this, and the hibiscus, and look, it's foaming, guys, and then you're just washing your face. So guys, that's it. You can use only like this. That's how you're washing your face, or I actually using with another little tool, which I will do a video next week with my new purchase, which I bought a few months ago, about 2 months ago, and I keep using every day, and I really like to use it with my foaming washer, which I will do a video next week. So look at this color. Amazing, isn't it? So I see you next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next week. Bye.